The U.S. Senate attempts to step into an issue of ethics at the U.S. Supreme Court.
This is Dr. David Schein, and welcome to Business Law 101.
Some members of the U.S. Senate have attempted to force a code of ethics on the U.S. Supreme Court. Let's take a closer look. Justice Clarence Thomas has confirmed that he went on expensive vacations sponsored by billionaires whose business interests might have cases before the Supreme Court. However, he maintains that the ethics rules for the court at the time did not require him to report these trips since they were sponsored by close friends, which was an exception in the ethics rules as they were previously written. There have also been complaints about another conservative justice, Samuel Alito, over travel on private jets. In an attempt to balance this politically, there's been a reference to Sonia Sotomayor, whose court staff helped to boost her book. And I don't know exactly how that supposedly happened, but that was part of what was thrown into this mishmash. Apparently, there's a gap in the judicial ethics rules, and justices could confab with close friends and not report it. In a responsible fashion, it has been confirmed that the ethics rules have now been corrected by the Judicial Conference. Hopefully, this type of non-reporting will not be repeated. Justice Thomas and I are on the same constitutional page. I agree with his rulings 99% of the time. However, whether it's the court ethics rules or not, if someone provides a justice vacation and flights worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, I think it should be disclosed. Importantly, there are no reports of a constitutionalist federal judge of failing to recuse himself or herself when the case might involve someone or an organization with which they might have ties. My irritation behind the Senate's interference is that Congress under Nancy Pelosi never approved such ethics rules for her own Congress, nor did Chucky for the United States Senate. It is reported her husband made millions in stock market, and some cases benefiting from what appear to be tips that are insider. And of course, insider trading itself is illegal, but it is not illegal to get tips through members of Congress and trade on those tips. And it seems like it should be. Thank you for listening, and I welcome your feedback. This is Dr. David D. Schein for this special edition of Business Law 101. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe on your favorite platform.